Artificial intelligence is this mind-blowing thing everyone is talking about these days. You and I see it everywhere, from the phone in our hands to the cars on the street. I want to talk about how AI could change our jobs. For real. Imagine you are really good at something. Like maybe you are super skilled at video games or making the best sandwiches. Imagine someone else comes into town who can do all that even faster and maybe even better. That's kind of what AI is doing to some jobs out there. AI is this tech that can think and even make decisions sort of like us. But here's where it gets huge for you and me. AI can work all day and night and doesn't need breaks or snacks. Companies see AI and think, this could do some jobs without getting tired or asking for a raise. Sounds good for them, but it makes some people nervous about their jobs. Not all jobs can be done by AI, at least not yet. But some jobs have a lot to do with information, like working with computers or making big decisions based on data. These jobs could really feel the heat because AI is ace at handling tons of information quickly. If your job has a lot to do with that, AI could change how you work or maybe even take over some tasks you do now. But here's the twist. Just because AI can do something doesn't mean it'll take over completely. AI makes our work even better. Let's say you were really into drawing and designing stuff. AI can help run the boring bits, leaving you more time to be creative. It's not all about losing jobs. It's also about making jobs more exciting and focusing on what we people are amazing at, like being creative or understanding feelings. We also have to think about how AI can open doors to new jobs that we haven't even thought of yet. Back then, when computers first showed up, lots of people were worried about jobs. But guess what? New jobs popped up because of computers. And that could happen with AI too. We might have new jobs like AI trainers who teach AI how to be better, or AI ethicists who make sure AI is used for good stuff and not bad. Something that really grabs my attention is how AI is different depending on where you work. If your job is all about dealing with people, like being a nurse or a teacher, AI might be less of a worry because people trust other people more when it comes to caring and teaching. But if your job is about numbers and data, AI could be a game changer. To top it off, AI isn't just about who does the job, it's also about who makes AI. Because right now, building AI stuff is mostly done by people who are really into tech and have a lot of education. That means not everyone gets to play a part in making AI. This is something big to think about because everyone should have a fair shot at shaping our future. When you and I think about artificial intelligence, it's a mix of excitement and being a bit careful. It's about seeing how AI can take over some things, but also create new opportunities and help us do what we love even better. It makes us wonder what our jobs will look like and how we can be part of the AI world, so we're not left behind. That's the scoop on AI and jobs. And it's definitely something for us to keep an eye on.